beauty, production tires, all kinds of failures. Most of the comment section say, I can't reach this temperature, but my assistant insisted on saying, it's the dry pan that's too big. Shower causes heat dispersion, so that in the furnace, it didn't burn the glass for an hour. I don't think I share that view, but he still put the corresponding materials. I got it, so let's do a quick check. First, is his point of view correct? First, no materials were purchased. I have also asked the merchant. The merchant said it was ordinary glass, but I didn't expect him to buy so small. I thought it was the same marbles that were burned before. They're the same size. Several meanings. Hi ha ha ha, you bought it. This dry pan. Right, let's get started. It's over, so the world is not perfect. This can is too full. Change a can of gas. Enter to share after 20 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. You can see that the glass inside is completely unmelted. This proves that his idea is still wrong. Let's put these glass beads, pour into this dry pan, burn directly with the spray gun. If you look at the lid, no meaning at all. Now the core issue is temperature, so this video is an unboxing video. This is a pull tube. These are a set of valves. This cylinder is a 4-liter oxygen cylinder. There are many netizens in the comment area. They told me to use oxygen welding to burn it. No, I just bought it. This blue tube is the oxygen tube, and he had this gun in it. However, this gun looks very cheap. Hey, why is it crooked? Why is this gun crooked? It's over, it's over, it's over. Why is this crooked? Is this crooked? Got scammed again. Been paid again. Did you get scammed again? It's crushed. Ask if it has any impact. Well, okay, regardless of this partition wall, install this valve first. See what it looks like. Is this a bottle opening? There is an anti-tampering pressure relief valve on it. Opener can open this kind of can. Why buy this can after nailing the trachea? Because speed efficiency is really not easy to do, and speed efficiency is very dangerous. I'll have it ready when I run out of gas tanks. Mainly for the convenience of using this nail bottle opener, you can use it by connecting it directly. Now connect the transparent gas pipe. After the trachea is connected, use this car part to call it in. Connect the welding gun here to try this gun. Is it leaking? Surely是me. After much consideration, I still want to return this gun. Anyway, he's crooked. It looks scary. Is it the same, identical 4-liter oxygen tank? This valve set has also arrived. Compartment was purchased separately. This compartment purchased separately has 3 tubes. It is said to have a certain explosion-proof effect. It's safer. That's a Mitsubishi shape. Its total length is 48 centimeters. The interface below was originally 8 millimeters. Specially, asked the store to replace it with a 6 millimeters interface. What about this tube nozzle? It is the nozzle that he sent by default and finished. Okay, now connect the trachea. It's over, I'm careless again. This trachea is a 4 millimeters trachea. It doesn't match this interface. The interface is 6 millimeters. Now I'm just barely connecting the trachea. Sure enough, the pressure of this gun is greater than that of the last gun, probably because this nozzle is better than the last gun. Thicker. Now this oxygen tank, it's already filled with oxygen. This is a 4-liter cylinder at 10 megapascals. Charged me $10. Although not very expensive, but it's really troublesome to fill with oxygen once. Try again. The effect of the gun. Open this oxygen valve. As you can see, there are 10 MPa. Start ignition. Oh, it just blew out. Maybe it's because there's extra air in the pipes. Oh, one more time. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Close this oxygen valve after pumping off the trachea. Empty the oxygen in the pipeline. Is it still quite convenient? The trachea that is barely connected, still a little dangerous. Or buy 4mm connectors online. Put it on first. This gas side is anti-silk. The oxygen side is positive magnetism. Yeah, that's much better. Wow, this is so hard. Not so much better. Why is this oxygen tube so easy to wipe? Okay. Now a leakage. Try again. Yes, it's perfect. So I'm going to take the lamp and open it up. See what the effect is. The basin is not very clear in the video. Then I can see the stitches here. I don't know if this kind of thing will raise the swallows. How much temperature can it reach? So let's test it out. This is copper tile. The copper tile that couldn't be burned with the spray gun before. It's easy to talk, but this should all be pediatric. This mouth ring is cast iron. The temperature of cast iron should be around 1500. It was this cement that was fried just now. Now burn this 19th screw. These facets are also easily digested. This coupling, very thick material should be just. It's getting smaller. Yes, now Kingding's flame is getting smaller and smaller. Now I found the problem. No matter how you adjust it, you can shorten this flame. Because it feels a little bit open, the gas valve has been opened to the maximum. The pressure on Kingding's organs is still too small. Then the pressure in the oxygen is relatively high. Sure, it's not easy to adjust this flame. It feels like no matter how you adjust it, it will oxidize. The pharynx cannot be adjusted to this neutral pharynx because the pressure of oxygen is always greater than the local, and these valves are equipped with pressure reducing valves. There is no watch on it. I don't know what the output pressure is. It's palpable. The pressure of this nylon is getting less and less. You may be out of scale. What do you guys think? It's really not easy to melt. Only melted a little bit. I didn't cut oxygen the whole time. Overall, I'm satisfied. After all, he burned Ding 1, which is much more convenient. Ding Maru is sold everywhere. So that's the end of today's video. We will brush the glass next time. Bye.